when not
We are
required.
making 100% accuracy.
No, this is correct. I mean, let us make it clear so that there is no confusion. I mean, I respect what Guru is asking. I respect him.
Yes.
When not required. Correct. So this is correct statement, guys, right? Okay. So Guru, can we go ahead or any doubt, any suggestion?
So,
Okay.
yeah.
So we can go ahead. Any question, any doubt or anything?
No, you can continue.
Okay. Okay, guys. Now we can go for LAL 03095A. Where is this?
It's oil level. Low level.
This is low level of oil. Yeah.
Where? In the first separator,
Okay.
right?
Yeah, person separator still. If you go to the pane ID, you will see it.
Yeah. So
But
this is the
Gang, the ICS is available here. ICS under is
Sorry?
available here. Yes,
Yeah,
ICS
on the
under is
right
available
side,
here.
on the right side,
Currently, Santia is not here.
Chairman.
If you
you see
want,
the
I can
LIC,
include him.
LIC 30905.
No, no, whether it
there
is
high
aligned
and
with
low.
the
He is not silent. He is not in the meeting now.
so guys, this
If
is
you
what we
want,
are
I can
talking.
include him.
No, please include him. I know. I was surprised that Chairman didn't have any question with the ICS vendor. Because past workshop, no, we have ICS vendors available. He'll ask a lot of questions. He also not asking,
But
he
yeah,
also not
but
asking.
please ensure that he's
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
Yeah.
Because no, if it is this is conflicting with the existing system, then the problem. He know what is conflict in the system. We're not building trying separate plant here.
Yes, please ensure tomorrow he's there, man. Okay.